Hello, 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 everybody. I am back with another video, and this video is a clearance haul. Yes, I know Christmas came and it went, and I did not show you guys any of my tree, any of my house. Sorry, Christmas got by me this year with the videoing. So I'm gonna do better for 2020 with filming my videos, but let's jump right in. So I just had to go to Hobby Lobby, and I know I could make these, but look at that. These are gorgeous, and they were like $3 and $4 on clearance. The regular price was $9.99, and it's a 66% clearance. So they were like $3 for the little one and $4 for the big one. In 2020, I'm gonna be doing my Christmas tree in my house in the traditional green and red. So that's what I purchased. So yeah, one was $3.40 and the other one's $4.08. So, and then we have the Merry Christmas sign. This one was regular $24, and it came up to $8.50. So isn't that cute? I haven't figured out or thought about where I'm gonna put it, but it will go somewhere. Then these are the Christmas shop glass ornaments. I thought they were cute. And I have 2 packs of these. And then I have these, which I thought were cute. These are shatterproof. And they were $14.99. But on clearance, they were like $5. No, there was $3.40. And I purchased 2 of those. And then I have these. Okay, so technical difficulties. So this is the other set that I purchased. And I have 2 of those. And I got this one. You guys know that I am a stylist. And this was originally $11.99, but it was, I think, like $3 or $4 on here. So that was Hobby Lobby. And then I picked up this at Walmart for $3.40. And this, I'm gonna put this on my salon door. It has the big bow right there. You guys can see the picture right here. So I purchased that from Walmart. And then I got the traditional red, green, and gold ornaments. And this was $4. And these are shatterproof. I purchased 2 of these ribbon, these spools of ribbon, and they were like, I think like $1 and some change. And that, you guys, was my Christmas haul. So on my receipt, I saved, I paid $51 $1.16, and I saved $91.64. Excuse my hair. Yeah, I've been busy. It's Christmas time. Salon, yeah. Beating them hedges and shit. But yeah, that it is my, I don't know what the receipt from Walmart is at. Let me see. And I only paid, let me see, $13 for the things that I got in Walmart. So guys, that is my video. That's all I have for today. I'm making a promise to start uploading videos more often this coming year. So until I see you guys again,